how to see who viewed your Snapchat story. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we will learn how we can see who viewed your Snapchat story, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to see who viewed our Snapchat story, open up Snapchat, then just come to this page. Now just tap on add to my story here, select a random photo, tap on my story. In order to see who viewed your story, here you'll be able to see the number of views. When you tap on it, and when you tap on this view section, you should be able to see a list of people who have basically viewed your story. So it's anything difficult really. When you tap on it and then you see the view section over here, you should be able to see a list of people who has viewed your story. And this way you'll be able to see who viewed your Snapchat story. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.